What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name's Alyssa, and today I will be showing you a Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance cut crease look with some glitter. It's very pretty, it's not hard to do at all, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Jumping right in, we are using Burnt Orange out of the palette. Now we are going to be using Real Gar. It is a very beautiful deep orange tone. Blending them both in our crease, it is okay to get a little messy because they blend perfect together. Blending, I am now going to cut my crease with the e.l.f. concealer. I know a lot of people use tape for a cut crease effect, but I did it very free-handed and I'm so glad it came out this way because it taught me a new step. Now I'm dipping into Tempera. It is a very beautiful opaque shade and it just looks beautiful. Now I am going to blend Warm Taupe and Real Gar in the outer crease, and this will give a defined effect. After placing your two colors, you just want to blend them out and they will look seamless. Now I will be using the NYX glitter liner in silver to cut my crease even more so it looks more defined and it gives a pop of glitter. Now I primed my face with the Benefit Porefessional, and the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 120. I had also applied falsies, and these lashes are from Luxe Rebellion and they are in style Ho For It, and I have a discount code. It's my name, Alyssa, for money off. I'm going back in with the e.l.f. concealer underneath my eyes, which this is very affordable and it works perfect for me. To set underneath my eyes and my face, I am using the Maybelline Loose Powder, and this gives off no flashback, nothing, so I highly recommend it. It is super affordable because you know I love all the affordable stuff. So yeah. So I bronzed my face off camera and I put on blush, and the bronzer that I used is the HOOLA bronzer from Benefit, and I used blush from Tarte Cosmetics and in shade Paaarty. Now I am dusting away all of my baking because I don't want my eyes to crease, because sometimes I get that. So I am just wiping it all away. Now I am dipping into Cypress Umber and Realgar, and that is going on my under eye. Now I am taking a fluffy brush and I am just going to blend it out because we don't want it to look any harsh lines underneath the eyes. Now for highlight, I am dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Moonchild, and I am using shade Pink Heart, and this is like the perfect pink hue. I am now just going in my waterline with a white eyeliner, and I'll tell you, this is not as hard as it looks. I do this all the time. For For mascara, I dipped into the Benefit Roller Lash, and this is one of my favorite mascaras. It works perfect, and the wand is so nice and thin, it gets every little eyelash. For lips, I am diving into Anastasia's Milkshake, and on top of that, I am using Kylie Cosmetics So Cute. For setting spray, I'm dipping into my Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I love this stuff. I recommend it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Of course, subscribe to my channel, show love, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.